So how are you going to connect your balconies to your precast wall panels or precast building elements you're using for your building? It's often a challenge which customers face, and to help with that, there's two aspects which we can assist with. The first one is making sure that those balconies deliver the same aspiration as what you're wanting from your precast wall panels or precast elements you're adding to your building. So why they're being used? Is it to build quicker? Is it to actually reduce the amount of labour on site? There's a number of reasons why these sort of things are chosen. But what you don't want to do is compromise, for example, having to add a scaffold system on the outside of a precast building afterwards to be able to support balconies being fitted. So understanding those aspirations is key for identifying what those hurdles are. One of the other key aspects is when you're using precast wall panels, you want it to be efficiently coordinated with the various different trades and to avoid interfaces which are complex and challenging. This is something which we've got a lot of experience with. The best and ultimate way of attaching balconies to a precast wall panel is if you can attach the balcony entirely on the outside of the building, meaning that you don't have any penetration through. The balcony is completely independent from the building frame itself. It's connected to the concrete wall panels. The good news is you won't be a guinea pig. We've got experience in doing this in a number of marketplaces, a number of different scenarios, from sandwich panels, O panels, various other selections of precast wall panels and with different manufacturers. We can help streamline your balcony journey. If we understand the aspirations and can unlock your hurdles for you and the challenges, we will streamline that process. By using lightweight materials on the outside of the building, the forces are reduced back onto those wall panels, and it enables you to effectively add balconies in the most effective way. And coupled with that, you can achieve rapid speeds of install. 62 balconies in a day is our current record.